Okay, yeah. My Anglican name is Warner Austin. I'm the advisor at the Chemawa Indian School, Salem, Oregon. I'm the staff advisor for Performing Arts Club there. I've been there.
And hello, everybody. My name is Jameson Jones. I'm from Arizona, and today I'll be dancing hoops and grass. And
I'm Joey Black. I'm Navajo. I'm from Mountain Utah. I'm a hoop dancer. I'm glad to be here.
Samuel Jim, I'm a chicken dancer. I'm a sophomore this year at Chemawa High School, boarding school. Glad to be here.
I'm from the Menominee Nation, Wisconsin. I'm 17 years old, and I'm a senior at Chemawa Union High School.
Wake up, hey, wake up. Whoa, hey. My name is Juanita Whitehair. I work for the Lincoln County School District for 20 years. I am also TAP High's Native Student Advisor. Lincoln County School District is the only school district within the state of Oregon for the last 17 years has passed a resolution, the school board, to honor.
Back in the 1950s, it was a government policy to terminate tribal people, and that meant take away their Indian identity. It meant you were no longer tied to your tribe or any government, that you were to go out in the big world and participate as any other member in the United States.
This is the way that we speak to our Creator through our dance and our songs. It's an honorable thing to come today to see our young people carrying on our culture and our traditions.